Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I will show how to make these funny lollipop holders for St. Patrick's Day. On my channel you can find a separate playlist with other craft tutorials for this holiday. Subscribe to my channel and let's create together. I found several lollipop holder projects in the Cricut library. I have already made one for Valentine's Day. I will leave a link to this video in the description. When I found this project in the library, I figured it might work for St. Patrick's Day as well, just need a little redesign. That's what I'm going to show in my video right now. This is how my project looks like in Design Space. I take the image of this pot as a base and combine it with a leaf from this image, and then get the design we need. I duplicate our part and will show step by step how I change the design. First, I remove circle from our part. I select part layer and click contour. And here I choose circles. And then change the color from blue to yellow. Now I will show how you can find an image in a Cricut library. Each image from the library has own number. In my tutorials I show the number of the image and so you can quickly find it. Now I remove unnecessary items and we got the leaf we need. We take our leaf and cut them a hole in the pot. Align all parts in the middle. And now apply the slice function. It works the same way as a cookie cutter. We turn our image over and repeat the same thing. I want to bring your attention that slice works only with two layers. Remove slice pieces and we are almost done. Here I would like to draw your attention. I will change the color of our image to make it more noticeable. Our project has a dot lines. These are fault lines. We have to make layers with dotted lines on top and connect them together with the part using the attach function. And now we have finished our design. This is how our Cricut cut our lollipop holders for us. Now I will show how I assemble it. It's a pretty simple project, but look how cool it looks. Let's finish the rest of our details. Here are some cute things we got. Thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel and happy crafting!